Autocad MEP. So Unit 6 continuation. Equipment, valves, mechanical, so any type valves, so the butterfly, so whatever say you can select from here. So now just select this one. So the 80 mm, so just a 150. Keep it on here, or otherwise, so just click this side. To keep it on here. So the connectors, so then okay. So one more. So likewise, keep it on here, this one. So just different sizes. Or type, change the types. So just we put on here. So then okay. So likewise, you can connect the different sizes. So the particular position, say you can connect like this way, valve system. Likewise, come back to the plan view. Say equipment. So you select the shower. So just select this one, the first one, or certain one, which one anyone say you can select. So just select this one. So then keep it on here. Keep it on here. Different position. So then enter like this way. So then go to the pipe system, nominal size. Nominal size increase by 100. So then starting from here, the same size 100. So then select OK. So you can change the connectors. So then right mouse next. So right mouse next. So then right mouse accept. So likewise, you can connect others also. So just increase the size 100. Right mouse next. Next. So then accept. So you practice like this way. So later we can meet another unit.